requires a very small footprint. It is why our system uses a magnetic levitation system. Because with a magnetic levitation system, there's nowhere in the entire system, and that reduces the maintenance cost to an absolute minimum. It is also why this magnetic levitation system hangs on top, because using this magnetic levitation system, we can do the most efficient propulsion. And of course, it is why our vehicles travel at high frequencies, so that we have enough capacity for the decades to come. However, we also learned that it's crucial to be able to create a network to fully unlock the potential of the Hyperloop. And to do that, you need one crucial component. That component is the lane switch. It allows us to connect every city like a highway does. And that's really where our system shines, because we have developed such a lane switch. A switch that can connect all of us directly without any intermediate stops. And that's what we test in this facility, among others. We not only test the switch, but in this facility we also test our levitation system. A levitation system that can lift the full weight of a passenger cabin using almost zero power. Also in this test facility we were able to prove the propulsion, to accelerate the vehicle and then decelerate it again to bring it to a safe standstill. And in that process, regenerate almost all of the energy to accelerate the next, making the system, of course, extremely efficient. And then, of course, what it's all about today, we tested our lane switch. A lane switch without any mechanical moving components, making it very safe and very reliable, and allowing us to take a lane switch and creating this network at 1,000 kilometers an hour. And that's why this test facility is so important, because it not only allows us to learn from all these other modes of transportation and apply those, but also to learn new things, and by that reach our goals of connecting Europe in 3 hours with 0 fatalities, 0 delays, and 0 emissions.
So in the test facility we have in Delft, we are testing every component that Hyperloop needs to operate. We do that at full scale. And the latest we've come up with is the Hyperloop switch. So based on our hybrid magnetic levitation and propulsion, we can actually create connections to tubes that are a bit like a highway, so in which vehicles go on, they join the main line, and then they can go off at any point. This is the beginning of the European Hyperloop network that stretches more than 10,000 kilometers across national borders.
Into this test facility, we have built the 3 core systems of the Hyperloop, namely the levitation, which is the component that allows the vehicle to lift off of the ground, creating 0 friction with the track and remain at a stable distance from it. In addition to that, the vehicle is now able to propel back and forth, which is what we call the propulsion.
So once the vehicle is moving, we use lateral